As Willie and Mary met by the seaside, a long farewell for to take. Said Mary to Willie, if you go away, I'm afraid my poor heart it might break. Oh, don't be afraid, dearest Mary, he said, as he clasped his fond mate aside. In my absence don't mourn, for when I return I will make you sweet Mary my bride. 7 long years had passed and no word at last. Mary stood by her own cottage door. A beggar came by with a patch on his eye, bedraggled and ragged and torn. Your charity fair maid bestow upon me, your fortune I'll tell you beside. The lad that you mourn will never return to make little Mary his bride. Slipped and she started saying, all that I have, it's freely to you I will give. If you tell me true, what I now ask of you is my Willie dead or alive. He's living, said he, though in sad poverty, and shipwrecked he has been beside. When he'd money untold and pockets of gold, he'd have made little Mary his bride. And if he is dead, no other I'll wed, no other I'll have by my side. For in riches though rolled or covered with gold, he'd have made his own Mary his bride. Then the patch of his eye, the old beggar let fly, his old coat and crutches beside, and on the sailor's new clothes, and with cheeks like the rose, it was Willie who stood by her side. Don't be afraid, dearest Mary, he said, it was only your faith that I tried. To the church we'll away by the break of the day, and I'll make little